The snow came on Monday, February 6, 1978. And when the skies cleared, the city, the state, lay helpless, entangled in the frozen panic evacuation that never succeeded. It frankly looked as though someone had dropped the neutron bomb. In the frustrating days and hours that would follow, 22 would perish. But most survived, and we watched each other survive on television. For the first time, television was as much a part of the great blizzard of 1978 as snowplows. We have a fabulous archive, 22 hours of videotape, the highlights of which you will see in the next 60 minutes. There had been warning. The forecast had predicted heavy snow, up to 18 inches, and we had just been through the worst snowstorm in 10 years.